Try this. One or two question we can see. Then you will move. We will move forward. Okay. Try for this. All we have discussed. Try for this. For this one. Try for this one. Rest you can do. Try for this one. For this one. For this one. For this one. You will. This will your homework or only this one. We'll discuss this one only. What will the magnetic field direction? Try this, try this, try this. This one, try this. Yes, what is the answer? Let us see. For this wire, current is following in this direction. See here. For this wire, current is following in this direction. Okay, that means IL cross B. Yes, what? This let us see. IL cross B. That means IL cross B. Force will be upward direction on this wire. On this wire, IL cross B. IL cross B. We can say IL cross B. That means on this wire it will be in this direction, and on this in this wire it will be in this direction. And all the magnetic force will be same because same current, same length. Okay, this will get cancelled by this one. Only this magnetic will be left, and it will be equal to Fm is equal to ILB in the west direction. Okay, good. West or left direction. Okay, rest you can do. So we move forward then. Rest you can do. Okay.